Here we are at the sorting rack of parts. So this is where all the parts are being sorting out, coming from the edge bending machine or the dialing machine can be that, being placed and taken and being placed inside of a bin to be sorted by product. So a bin contains all the parts of the same product. The key of it is to be able to sort them for the guy at the assembly being able to pull out all the parts that he needs it for the same product and be sure to be able to assemble that product. The way it works is that you have your control screen that looks exactly like your sorting rack, where you have your identification of all the bins, the way they're called inside of it. It works with a color that's green, lets you know that everything of the product has been completed, and blue, it's what's in progress actually inside of your elements. You need to take your parts that you're gonna have there and be sure that all your part does have a part label identifier. So a barcode that's gonna be done for a reader. Once it's scanned, it's gonna flash inside of your your screen in red to let you know where to place your part inside of your bin. So, like it's telling me right here, place it in 1L. Coming out from my edge bending on another part, this time I'm gonna scan it again. System's gonna let me know again where to place my part 1T. And I can sort all my parts that way and know exactly where they go in. What's really interesting about sorting the parts right here is that in this case we only sort parts of the carcass of the cabinet. So doors and drawers and jar box are not sorted in that area. They're sorted in another area. So there is a synchronization being done in between the door, the drawer front, and the drawer box, and this area right here where you sort your parts. So what we want to be sure is that the work order that we're trying to sort right now, that we're working on, that the door department is working in the same work order. So once they have sorted the door of the product right here, then it becomes a green light for the assembly guy to take the product, because we know that the doors are ready for that element. So this area here controls on what work order the door department will work on his element. So once again, just taking our parts, flashing where it goes inside of our screen, and we're good to roll with the information that we have right here. So we are actually at the sorting rack here. At that level, we're going to sort some doors, jar fronts, and even some jar box. That's going to be done at that working station. So the way it works is that parts come out from the CNC, are edge bending, and then be placed right here at the sorting rack, but also is going to be synchronized with the big sorting rack that you can see over there that's managed the parts of our project. So the way it works with our screens is that our customers go right here in the list, is able to load the sorting rack, mobile rack that he wants. So I'm loading right here the sorting rack B that I have in my screen in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my parts that are ready for my project and scan my barcode inside, where the system's going to specify to me where to place the part in the bin. So as you can see, it's going to ask me to place it in the bin 3A, that's right here. So it flashes red to let me know what bin is to go in, and stop flashing after a certain part of a second. I'm going to take the other parts of the project. As you can see, goes through the same sorting rack. Take my last part that I have for that project, right here, where I can go in and scan my item. If for a reason or another my label doesn't work, I can go directly inside of the system, go inside my part, and just load it manually inside of my bin. As you can see right here, my bin is full, becomes green to let me know that all the items are inside of it.